Take command of the road in the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, skid plates, and air conditioning. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.